So the best way to know how much you should price your items on eBay is to look at the sold comps. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you could get to this tab. The sold feature is actually probably one of the best features you could use as a seller, as it will tell you how much you should list your listing for and how much it will sell for. And it will tell you how frequently people are buying this specific item. So go ahead and search for whatever item you're trying to sell. For this example, we'll just say I'm trying to sell Super Mario Galaxy 2. Now what you want to do from here is click the top right where it says filter right below your cart. Go ahead and click filter. Now you're going to want to scroll pretty much all the way down. Scroll until you see right here, sold items and completed items. You're going to want to go ahead and click that button. So as you can see, right when I press that button, the button right down there says show 1,600 results. And what that means is in the past 3 months, 1,600 items sold. So the way that's beneficial to you is you could take 1,600, divide it by 90 days, and you will get 17.7. 18 of the Super Mario game sells every single day. That is very, very good, especially comparing it to how many current listings there are. You will probably sell your item within a couple days, if priced correctly. But your job is not done yet, as you're going to want to scroll through and see what other people have sold their games for. You can see there's a $20 one right there without the manual. Keep that in mind. Now there is another one, looks like complete with everything, for $25. You can see another one, no manual, $18 plus shipping. If I had the manual and I was selling this, I would probably list it for $28 because I think that's a good range for how much I'm seeing these prices. And do you want to know a very easy way you could be getting more views and sales? Watch this video where I tell you how to schedule your eBay listings, and this could actually get you a lot more views and sales.